Now, CES is a hectic show at the best of times, and it's really hard just to find any time at all to relax. But sometimes you get lucky. Now, I just begrudgingly stood up from Aurasens. That was the name of what I was experiencing back there. It's a relaxation chair built with a vibro-haptic feedback system that transforms music into vibrations, into sensory touches, into weird little tingles. I feel really chilled right now, and that's a really good sign, right? The Aurasens experience tries to turn music into haptic touch. It does that with 32 different areas all the way down the chair, transmuting the music I'm listening to into all different kinds of sensory feedback. There's tiny vibrations, there's little spiky touches, there's booming bass that kind of, shakes your body. But the whole experience is surprisingly relaxing, and the whole thing benefited hugely from noise-cancelling headphones, meaning I didn't know where I was. It cancelled out all the din of a trade show, and I just got to really chill, lie down and relax, if only for 3 minutes. Now, this isn't really aimed at you or I. That 20,000 euro price tag kind of explains that. But it's aimed at companies that want something for their relaxation rooms. It's aimed at movie theaters. The idea that they could tie up with a movie that's launching and add a kind of experiential component to people waiting in movie theaters. The team's also working on employing a VR component here, so not only will you be hearing the sounds and feeling the sounds, but there'll be a visual component to kind of really augment the whole experience. It was kind of a whole lot of fun, and I'm hoping I'll get another 3 minutes to try it out a bit later. For more hectic highlights at CES, check back at Engadget.com.